Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on PopOS 22. By default we will get the Firefox. So open the default browser, then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Chrome. Click on the fast and secure web browser. Then download Chrome, then select this .debian package, then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, see download started. See here its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now go to terminal, then go to downloads directory, ls. Now install it, sudo dpkg-i. Then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now click on show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Let me open it. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox. If you want to automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. Both are up. It is up to you. So I don't want either of them. Select unselect it and click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, we have successfully installed. Now go to downloads ls. This file is not required anymore. rm, you Google, give the tab ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome web browser on PopOS 22. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.